Good morning. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Happy stream 113. Let's get in there. A little bit to do here, and we're live. Oh, love it. Get this to my squad. We got Flash PMI tonight. Oh, look at this breakout yesterday and no decision. 24s, there was a 700 all the way to the 25,000 yesterday. Oh my God. 25,000 in the NASDAQ whole number. Don't open at the 25s. Good morning, Danielle. First one in. Welcome in, Queen. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're feeling good. We got PMI today, so the market's gonna have some injection of volatility. What's up, Caesar? The King Caesar. Give that man his crown. First two chatters in here today, guys. We have a 25,000 NASDAQ. Just my first time seeing this. I obviously got off yesterday. I haven't seen it. Holy shit. Good morning, Pooja. Welcome in, Queen. Happy you're here so early. Good morning, Max. That madman Max. Look at the flat price. Look at the sideways action at the all-time highs in the NASDAQ at the 25,000. Super weird. Let's take a quick gander at our daily chart here. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. After dipping down 3 incredibly strong closes. Do we get a fourth? I don't know. Look how strong. At the all-time highs, now we're going completely sideways. It's a little bit weird here. Love you, folks. Let's do this stuff we do. Yes, sir. Dave, good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. I love it, Dave. That buy up to 25K took me out. 25K in the NASDAQ. It's my first time seeing it, y'all. I never got on yesterday after we obviously had stream, went to work. Look at this sideways on the hourly chart at the 25,000 whole number. We're pretty much going to open here. Wow. Let's see what happens. Good morning, Matt. Welcome in, King. Super happy you're here. Never guessed you would go so high yesterday. Straight to the moon. Never turned around, Danny. Literally from opening print price, we just never turned around. Into the 25,000s, and then overnight, we've kind of just gone completely sideways here. Makes me think we might get some continuation. I'm selling right now. Eli's finding the sells. Market opening just started. Opening print candle price. Exactly to 25,001s. Let's see what we do. Overnight low, the 974s. There's not a lot of ranges. Maybe we auction into yesterday's prices a little bit. I don't even know fully. I guess we're going to be a little bit patient. Eli's catching these sells. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Amin. Welcome back, brother. Let's get this money. Look at this 25,000 in the NASDAQ. 25K whole number is insanity. Never would have guessed. Never would have guessed. What is this one? 8:45. So we have about 15 minutes for that. And then Powell speaking today as well. That's interesting. I wonder what the market's going to do in preparation for that. Daddy Powell's coming on, going to give us some information. I mean, at the end of the day, man, look at this flat pricing overnight. It's super weird, super digested, very balanced. Kind of makes me think that the market's waiting, maybe waiting for Powell. I don't know. Sells today. What's up, Wani? Good morning, King. I think maybe Eli said he's looking to the sell side. I'm not really sure right now. Look at this flatness at 25,000 whole numbers. Plus, let's look at the daily chart in the last 3 days. Very strong closes, 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, maybe today we started getting a little bit of a move back to the side of balance. I don't know. Where did this turn at? Oh, at the 25.25s. I like that. Yeah, I think maybe the sell side. I could see some sells coming in today. Look at this flatness. I don't like trading flat because typically when you get consolidation like this, we try to exit the way we came in. We've obviously had a strong pump, so I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, TLR. Welcome in, King. Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day to make some money. Let's go. Yes, sir. Beautiful day to make the green. We're all here. We're showing up. We're ready. NASDAQ's trying as well. Look at the 25,000s in the NASDAQ is wild. Insane, guys. Good morning, IRZRS. Welcome in, King. Let's go. Let's make some money. Right now, it's feeling a little chill. PMI, then Trump talking. Yes, sir, Dave. I think is it Trump or Powell? Is it the Fed or is it Daddy Trump talking too? What time is that at? That's crazy. Yeah, we got PMI here in about 13 minutes. In our 15-minute range. We're going to be patient. Let the market move a little bit. Look at this holding. Look at this holding price, right? Hourly chart all night long. Nowhere. So we're going to be a little bit patient. Wait for one of these ranges. I think shorts. I think we get a pump back into this price maybe. And then maybe shorts. But also, we know that consolidation. PMI news at 9:45. Yes, sir, Eli. We got that coming. That's the PMI flash. Going to give it coming in about 12 minutes. Giving us some injection, some information. We have, what do we have? Like $1,000, $900 of drawdown here before we're bottomed out. So let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Good morning, newbie. Welcome in, King. Welcome back, brother. Let's make some money. Pump to the 250 25s or retest the 975. Let's see what happened. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a pump back to the 25. And then maybe taking a short there. Or retest the 975s, he thinks. I like that, Amy. You're playing the range, sir. I think that's about as much as we can do today. Maybe try to find a short or a long here. But, I mean, I'm just going to be patient. Let the same thing play. Same idea. I like that IRZRS. I like it. I love saying your full name. IRZRS. It's got a nice flow. 25,000 NASDAQ. Opening print price exactly at the 25,000s and one. And we're just maintaining right now. Wait, is this opening print candle? No. We're just kind of going sideways right now. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's hard today. I will wait. Yeah, we got to be patient today. I mean, look at the hourly chart overnight, right? Look at this. Have you seen any flatness as flat as this? Very, very sideways. So that to me is just people being a little unsure. We obviously had lots of bullish pumps. We also have some more news this week. We have a lot more information coming out this week. Let's wait for the manipulation first. Yes, sir. I like that IR. Pat, good morning, King. There he is. The Pat with the last. Let's go, brother. Welcome in. Let's make some money today. Like NASDAQ, waiting for the news, LOL. Yes, sir. We're just patient. We're not going to rush into anything. We're going to do what we got to do to get paid. We get paid by just waiting. The NASDAQ's going sideways right now at the 25,000 whole number. So let's not rush. Good morning, Saucy, our man, our myth, our moderator. W Sauce. Well, welcome in, Wildflower. Good morning, Queen. She's here. The gang's here. Let's make some money, you guys. Right now, look at this sideways price action. That to me is patience. We're going to get a test down to these 75s. Amin already said he might try long down here. Maybe trying to short the 25s up top. So far, we just see it. We see the 25K whole number. We see the sideways price action, which is kind of adoption. The last 3 daily closes have been really bullish. So patience. Tighten up chat. No emotion. We're professional traders. Wait for your setups and capitalize. Don't force anything. Let's go, Pat. We are professionals. We're doing this shit together. Let's go, y'all. By the way, I got 2 more XFAs with your $100. Woo! IRZRS. That hypes me up so much, bro. Congratulations. Good job on the trading. Good discipline. Let's fucking go, man. That is so cool. I will take longs at the 950 or 900 hold. Okay. I don't know if we get... I hope. Well, we definitely could see the 900s. 950, you said, maybe? I like it. I like the plan, Amy. Let's see what happens. Smash that like button, ladies and gents. We hit the 35 goal yesterday. Yes, sir. Saucy. Our man. That's true. We are having our the man put it down yesterday. We're trying to get 30 likes every episode. So if you guys have not yet, make sure you hit that thumbie. Let's get it going. Let's get it rolling today, folks. 25K in the NASDAQ. Finding some selling already. Getting through overnight low. Let's go. IR is out here. Yeah, he is. Man's just max funded. That's insanity, bro. Be proud of yourself for that. Brett, what's up, sauce boy? That saucy Brett boy. You got the dough, I got the sauce. Now we just need the cheese. Yeah, I do like potentially finding some sells, you guys. I mean, to say we're overbought's an understatement, but yet the bulls have been strong. So we got to see if they get a little bit weak today. If 75 now holds, maybe another scenario. I like that. I like that. Let's see the 75s hold. I don't know if they're going to. I don't know. We have news coming out in 8 minutes, so be a little bit patient, Amy. I don't think there's any. I don't think we're going to get too much of a move right now, but I could be wrong. We'll see. Congrats, IR. No doubt about it. Playing spectator again, Caesar. It's all right, Saucy. You're coming back, King. Thank you. Started with the Gma gain. I feel great. Now I focus on the big payout. Focus on the gym. That man's getting healthy. We love a healthy trader around here, King. Let's go. A healthy mind is a healthy body. Healthy mind is a healthy trader. Good shit. One thing we can all focus on, getting our health right. The rest comes. A sick man only has one wish, right? Another day in paradise, brother, man. I love it, Caesar. That's the king mindset right there. Another day in paradise. Breathing the good stuff. What's up, Work? Welcome in, King. Happy you're back, brother, man. What'd you do today, Work? I know you already grabbed some trades. What you spot? I hope not, though, because this is pretty choppy, these 25Ks. So maybe you haven't taken any trades yet. And what a paradise it is. Yes, good. Yes, sir. Come on, y'all. The positivity. The mindset. Yo, Amy, it looks like we might be holding these 73s again. We got to sell into the 72s. Finding some balance back to the EMA. Back to the VWAP. We got news here in 6 minutes. No need to rush anything. I wouldn't even mind maybe a short at the 14s or maybe back at the VWAP even, but we'll see. No trades today, just full TP on that 39K on gold. I'm not trading for a week. He hit the full TP. Yo, everybody, drop a W for Work. Let's fucking go, dude. A long trade. He held it from what, Friday, and you got out yesterday for full TP. So, dude, a 3-day banger to make $40,000 is fucking incredible. Good job. We sweep Asia low. Now let's see what happened in the 25,000s. I like that. I mean, let's see. Man hit full TP yesterday. What a trade, dude. Good job, Work. Take the week off, sir. Take the fucking month off. We're almost out of September. Lock that in. Just got to get out of TD, not going to lie. Just got out today, not going to lie. That's wild, man. Full TP is insanity. Lunch is on Work. Yeah, Pat. Lunch is on Work today. Let's go. I love that shit. Man, well deserved, bro. Good trading. That shit's amazing. Protect that capital. No doubt about it. All right, y'all. We got news here in 5 minutes. We're still just kind of holding these 70s. Not a lot going on. Look at the sidewaysness. I like it. We're being patient. No reason to force nothing crazy. What a banger, though. I'm going to get that 1099 BMW M3. That's my dream car. I'm going to wait until I get money and buy it and have one for the 32K. 1999 Beamer M3 is a pretty ride, brother. Happy for you, man. I hope you get to get that. I'm going to wait until I get the money, though, and buy it if they have one for 32K. Man, that's king stuff right there. Chasing what we want to chase. Look at, we're finally getting some sells. We're finally breaking out of this little tight range here. Don't want to over predict and try to get in early just in case this is just a little, manipulation, but we'll see. Hey, nice choice. Yes, sir, P. It's a great choice. You deserve it, bro. You'll have it soon. Let's go, Pat. Love the positivity. M3s. I'm pretty sure my boys just bought an M3, but not a 99. So, took that short off the EMA. So, she did get back in there. Nice trade, Danny. That little pump back on this candle. Finding some sells now into the 50s. I love it, Danny. Good trade. That's 40 points you're up right now. I already have a 335 stage 2i. Wow, what a beast. P. Enos, your name will never not get a smile out of me. Me neither. Danny with the snipes. Yeah, she's been crushing with the shorts lately. Shorting all-time high. Danielle crushing that. I'm bad at shorting all-time highs. Danny, not her. I'm getting bored of it. Well, that's an interesting thing about cars, right? We love a car. We love a car. We love anything. And then once we get exposure to it too much, we just get sick of it. Let's see what the 950 do. Let's see it, Amy. You said you were going to consider a long here. We're starting to find a little bit of a reaction. Our first 15 minutes are getting closer. I'm going to get us almost ready for the box. The box. What's in the box? Yesterday was difficult for me, though, huh? It's okay. That's about trading. We can't be right every day, and we don't get paid to be correct. We just get paid to make more than we lose. So maybe you turn this trade into a banger, make all of yesterday up and some, and that is how you be a profitable trader. You just make more than we lose. We don't get paid to be correct. We just get paid to make more and show up. Well, actually, we don't get paid to show up. I wish we did. But we get paid overall if we keep showing up. The consistency does pay. That's awesome. I have a 13335 as well. My Beamer boys. My Beamer boys. I like that. I have a Toyota. A little Toyota Camry. I'm a little too frugal. Made 200 yesterday, but I do better with shorting for some reason. Shorts got the elevator. That's why, Danny. Look at the stairs. I mean, look at the longs take the stairs, and then the shorts just take the elevator. And you made money yesterday, Danny? Come on. Let's go, Queen. We're making dollars. Really nice short up here at the EMA. I would have even liked it, and maybe we got back into the VWAP, but we held the bottom of this previous range. Getting back into the EMA again here. We have news coming out in about a minute. I'm going to get our box ready, y'all. We're almost ready for our first 15 minutes. This is opening print candle. Yes, it is. No, this one. There's our range. There is our 15-minute range. Let's see what we got. Any mods on it? That's a good question, Pat. What do you got for on there? 335i stage 2. How much horsepower? I have an 18-inch F82 M4 with Kratos turbos. Oh my God, P. W's for you, King. That's a fucking that's some sex on wheels right there. That's what that is. That's sick. All right, guys, we're testing the bottom of the 15-minute range. We have news coming out right now. Let's see. This is going to be PMI flash. We still have Powell speaking later. Maybe a rip back through these 50s. We can try to find a long. The market looks like it's trying these 50s out. EMA sitting there at the 60s. 50% of our range at the 70s. We have the VWAP above. I still think sells could be potentially in. Charge pipes and tunes. I build race cars. Got a 500 horsepower Honda and a 600 horsepower STI. Incredible. Man buys the race vehicles or builds them. It's a really cool hobby, Pat. That news injection didn't really seem to give us much right now. Still finding flatness, which makes me think if we're not going to find buys out of it, we might be finding some continuation to the sell side. I think I'm going to be a little bit patient, trying to see if we can get a push back up into this range. We might not find anything like that. As of right now, I would like a sell. I'm going to put an order. I'm going to sell the 50% of the range right now. See if we can get an order. Execution. Having a sell order at the 974s right now. Let's see. VWAP's above at the 900s, so that might be our play. Thanks, Ty. Of course, Pat. 5 minutes till news. No, we just had the news. We just had news, King. PMI flash. We have more Powell speaking here at noon. What is it? 12:35. Powell speaking. EMA is still acting as some resistance. We have a sell order at the 974s. Let's see if we can get a fill. Currently just holding the bottom of the range. I like this to find some more downside. Just got to get an execution. Got to get a fill. Might not even be able to get through this EMA, it's looking like. Huh. Do we front run this bear flag and try to get in at this EMA with a low risk? I mean, the problem is if we get in at the EMA, our stop loss has to be where I want this entry. So that kind of hurts a little bit. No, 3 minutes till Trump speaks. Amen. Appreciate the insight, King. That's actually quite insightful. Makes me a little bit nervous now, knowing that big old daddy Trump's going to be speaking at 9:50. I didn't know that, but that is what Dave said as well, so that tracks. You know what I mean? Get that little morning wiggle out of there. Was pulling 600 horsepower around there when I had no music and had everything on it, and I added music and my turbo got fucked up, so I'm pulling less now. That makes sense. It's lame that I got messed up though. That's pretty lame work. But you don't need all that. You don't need all that horsepower. Pull a little bit less, you'll be all right. Still trying to sell this 50% right now. We have an order at the 974. Starting to find a reaction at this EMA. I would like to get a pump and a fill. Obviously, the VWAP being at the 870, the 89s is a little bit scary. Our 15 points means we'll still have our range here. So we'll see if we can get in fill. I like this to try to give us a fill here. Look at the wicks, though. Price is struggling to even get through here, so we'll see. I like this. Maybe getting a fill. Six points off. We're trying to front run this 50%. Again, the VWAP being slightly above at the 89s is our only, like, obstacle, I guess is the word. Tapping into the bottom of this range. Can we get a fill at the 74s? I think the safest fill is the 76, but I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. Just kind of want to try to get into this. I don't love that Trump's speaking here soon, but we'll see. Oh, my gosh. 71, and we're off by the 74s. If 950 breaks down, maybe we'll see the 900 level. I think maybe as well. I think if we break through this 15-minute range, we're going to see some more sell side. Not for real. I'm going to make it to a music car night out. 2 to 15 if you know, you know. Hey. Might, or 218, but I'm going to try to see if the 18s fit. Little subs. Little woofers. Yeah, so we had to sell it to 74s. We got to the 71s, you guys. Finding some more selling now in through the bottom of these 50s. Bummer. Bummer. We were the front. I want to try to short this. I just think it's suicide. I'm in. I'm going to take our other sell limit and take it off. We're going to leave our 15 points. See if we can get a reaction through the bottom of this 15-minute range. I want to see some weight coming through these 40s. If we get a close and a break below these 40s, I'm going to add another contract. We got to get some weight through here, though. A break and a break below these 40s. We're going to add a second contract. We got to get some weight, though. We're at a big spot where we could find some buying. Let's go, Trump. Move the market, LOL. Hopefully Trump doesn't do nothing too wild. I don't love being in a situation where he could come in here. They tried the 15-minute bottom there again. Found a nice reaction. Decent buying volume candle. Let's see if we can get some push now. Don't want to see this EMA get held at all. Want to see these wicks keep being supported. A close below these 44s. We're going to add a second contract. I got to see some weight, though. We got to see some weight by these sellers. Come on. If we do get stopped out, I might try another re-add at the VWAP. Hopefully we don't have to. Hopefully this EMA acts as the support that we're hoping for. Come on, EMA. Get heavy here. I want to see these buyers or these sellers try to get through these 50s. I mean, the 50s were decent for him. 950 holds. See, he just said it right there. The 950s potentially hold. We could easily find a return to the upside here. Got to try to get through them. They've been holding twice. I like to decompress buying volume out of range. Just got to find some selling now. We're not out of the woods, but we're not exactly in trouble yet either. Where do we hold to the 43s? Yeah, okay. Finding some support now at the EMA. Get back into this range. Don't want to see any closure around these 70s. All right. Want to see some more wicks here. Like I said, I don't mind the decompressed buying volume at the range. Just got to see a reaction from our sellers, our friends. Come on, sellers. Bro, it's a long. Muhammad, he said it's a long. Good luck, sir. I hope we both can make some money. I am potentially looking to the downside right here. We'll see. 75s, we see the real move. 75, we see the real move. Well, I hope not, Amy, because I'm stopped out if we go back to the 75s. I want to see this act as a wall right here. Am I going to re-enter at the 75s if we get a pull there? I don't think so. I'd re-enter at the VWAP. Sometimes I like to just make sure. Look at the decompressed buying. I have a bad feeling we're going to get ripped. I'm moving my stop here because I'm going to re-enter at the VWAP. Well, actually, I'm going to... I feel like this 50% is the next stop. I think I got to front run the VWAP. We're going to wait. Bro, leave while you can. Muhammad. I'm in the shorts here, King. We're hoping to see some sell side coming in. I think 77 IRZRSs, maybe the 77s be the reaction point. I like that. My M4 only has 550 with tubes. 550 is still plenty. Plenty, King. Getting into the EMA here, finding a reaction back to this pull. We got to see if we can get some weight through these sellers. Like I said before, a push below these 45s we'll consider adding. We really got to see these 50s break, though, I mean. We really got to see these 50s get snapped here. Come on, sellers. Get through these 50s. Buying has been so strong the last few days. We want to see some weight by the sell side come in here. Break through these 50s. We break through the 50s. We should see some more continuation to the downside. Don't want to see any reaction at these previous wick spots. Got to get through the 15-minute range here. A close below the 15-minute range. I'm going to add a second contract. If it reacts the bearish fair value gap, you're chilling. Otherwise, it's going up. Hey, I like it. We got to get through this bottom here. Got to get through the 15-minute bottom. From there, I'll be safe to add a second contract. See if we can get this thing to ride a little bit. Don't want to see wicks, though. We want to get heavy through here. Come on, Nazi. Get heavy through here. Want to see us break below these 40s and hold. Come on, give us a hold. No wicks. It's the one thing we're not trying to see here. You guys know the rules. Let's see this keep carrying through. I think we have a potential target, the 900s, if we get a close below here. Hell yeah. Give me a close. Don't wick this 15-minute. If so, we're going to put break even and add. If so, we're going to break even and add. No wicks. The one thing we really do not want to see here. We want a nice closure. We want to see some weakness by the seller, by the buyers. Don't want to see any absorption, any acceptance. Look at the absorption potential here. Get heavy, sellers. Get through this close. Like I said, a close through here we can break. We can add. Oh my goodness, it's gonna make me not be able to add. Oh, NASDAQ, you're gonna make me not be able to add. I wanted another contract. Motherfucker. Look at us push through the bottom of the 15-minute range and find some support. I'm going to get a trend line drawn out before we try to rush into a second contract. Same thing plays out, you guys. A close below this 15-minute range, we're going to add. Same theory. I just can't force the add until that happens. We want to see that imbalance respected. We want to see which imbalance. Which one, King? We want to get through this 15-minute range without wicks. It's really one thing we want to see here. We want to see the buyers look a little bit weak. We want to see some weakness out of our friends here. See these sellers. See some big blacks. See some weight come in here. Don't want to see any like this. Look at this extra selling volume, but price is able to hold. It's not my favorite thing to see. We're still holding the 15-minute range here. I have a feeling we could come tap into this trend line one more time. I don't need to have so much of a risk anymore. Just going to be risking a little bit less. Still don't want our break even on yet. Please, a big drop. Come on, Danny. I'm in with you, Ty. Let's go, sellers. Come on, Pat. All we got to see right now is a compression below the EMA, maybe another trend line touch, but we really got to get a break and close below these 15-minute range. I think once we get that, the sellers are going to be able to continue this thing. Right now, we're getting a lot of absorption, though. Look at the increased buying volume, and yet prices being held at a big spot. Did we touch into this previous point yet? Not quite. Come on, sellers. Get heavy here. We need some weight. I want to see some pulls. I don't like this buying, this decompressed selling at a range. Doesn't really give me reach vibes. Entered with 2 minis. Okay, Muhammad. I like that. Come on. Get a break and a close through here. We're going to add a second contract. Starting to get a little bit more weight now into the 935s. If we get a close below this 15-minute range, we're going to add our second contract. I like the distance. We don't want to see any reversions. The new 1 hour is in a minute 30. The new 1 hour in a minute 30. Yes, sir. Look at the hourly starting to come down for us. If we get a closure here, I'm going to add a second contract, you guys. Into the 33s right now. My TP is the 20s. 50% range, fair value gap. Oh my gosh, look at the reactions. Would that just touch into the 30s? And I just found a really strong buy there. 50-minute range, fair value gap, 4 hour. Did we just touch into that? No, I think that's like the 890s. I think we go down to see the 900 whole number. Did we really not get a close? Oh my god, we did get a close below the range. It just doesn't feel safe. Oh, I don't love it, you guys. I don't love that fucking buyback. I wanted to close down here so we could put our break even on. But a rule's a rule. We did get a break. I just don't like these wicks at all. We're struggling to really get outside of this 15-minute range. We're really struggling. 922 seems right. Let's take our profit and set a potential. I'm thinking maybe I like somewhere like that. Like the 890 seems a little bit crazy, but I also don't mind it. Back to the 900 whole number essentially, which means I probably will just front run that. Get out at the 900s. Potentially. We're near ass, so I'm sure we're fighting buyers here. Oh yeah, we're fighting stubborn buyers here. But look at the decompressed selling. Starting to find some momentum. Just got to get this to carry through. Next trend line touch is going to be our next real confirmation. Our next ad, I guess. Break the 40s. I know. Break those 40s. We're into the 30s right now. I want to see us really try into the 900 whole number. Finding some weight, though. Finally getting some weight into the 930s right here. To 925. Let's go. Come on, Amy. Selling is picking up. Selling is starting to pick up for sure here. I'm going to add another contract at the 15-minute range or this trend line touch, you guys. Damn, nice. Okay, look at this. Let's see it. Let's see it. Here we go. This might be our second contract add. Into this EMA price, potentially. Limit sell 1. We're short 2 now. Break even has to be on, sadly. Want to see this 15-minute bottom that we just finally got through. Find some more respect. It actually feels a little bit bad. Like we're going to find back into this trend line. Which makes me want to wait. But we'll see. Where do I really want? Yeah, well. Well, we just got tapped out of that. Limit sell. 1 back up here. Trend. Still trying to short this trend line. That's a lot of buying volume coming in. Oh my word. Still trying to front run this trend line. All good. Next trade will be good. Got stopped out. Me too, Danny. Lots of buying volume coming in now. Still finding some suppression. As if we just get fucking wicked out of our trade, man. Gosh, the amount of like bullshit we've been going through lately is just wild. Max payout. I see it, Tyler. You're going to hit this right here. Let's go. That's my guy work. Come on, King. Divergence on ES might go up. I like it. Dangerous. We'll see. We will see you. You don't have a countdown for cancel close. No, I do not. Next trade will be good. Enter maybe after this candle reaction first. I left my trade at the 37s. We're still trying to find these shorts. I don't mind the downside here. I cannot believe we just fucking got wicked out of our position there. That was honestly quite painful. Like, I had a feeling too. Still keeping our short here. I like the potential. I don't even kind of want to front run it, but extra buying came in, kept us held. Give me my fill. Give me back in this trade, please. Yep. Come on. Trying to find a fill. Wow. This is going to be one of those days I'm going to get really fucking upset because why did I get wicked out of that trade, man? The 9 fucking 52s. Oh my god, and it goes for the 53. Like, what is that, man? Holy shit, that's annoying. 520 plus 520. Thanks, King. Hell yeah, Mohammed. Let's go. I'm glad you made some money on that, brother. Maybe back to the VWAP. How was the weekend, y'all? Sob. It was a good weekend, King. Had a good one. I got to play golf for the first time. That was rad. And had a good relax. So, how about you, King? How was your day? Still finding some pressure here. I still want to short this trend line touch again, but we're fading it right now. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. We almost at 800 subs. Come on, Keith. Let's go, King. If you guys have not subbed yet, make sure you join this family. If you're not in this comment section learning, what are you doing? I don't know. We're kind of finding a little bit of roundness here. Still trying to get in this short. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, let's go. Love golf. Dude, I got bit with the bug. It was my first time playing, but I am 100% addicted. It was a very good time. I hit a birdie on my first try, being really strict on hole 17. I was so proud of that. Yeah, I'm shorting this next trend line touch wherever it is. Wherever we get a trend line touch, I'm trying to short it. I don't like the way that we've been just barely missing it, though. It's a little weird. And now we're in, and now we're going to probably find an explosion. Damn, that's fucking crazy. It's like they are watching the live. Dude, I literally got just rinsed out of my spot, and then it goes. Like, man. But we're right back to where we were, so it's not like it really went. Shorted the trend line. We got to see if we can get a reaction. Starting to find some buyers, though. Back inside of the 15-minute range is not my favorite. Not my favorite. Let's be patient here. Nothing to panic about. Played some myself this weekend. Hey, let's go. Yeah, man, it happens to everyone. They got the bug hard. Dude, I was playing so bad too, and then I just hit like 2 good hits, and I was like, yeah, I love this. Looks like we might get stopped out, you guys. We'll see the reaction. We're hoping to see this trend line find some more support, but instead it looks like the buyers are maybe getting this thing to move. We'll see here. Got to see a reaction from this next candle back inside of our zone. Feels like I'm going to get just wicked out and then in fucking direction all over again. Feels like I'm going to literally get wicked out all over again. If we break 50 and retest, maybe some buys here. We did get back through the 50s, maybe retest it. I mean, that's fortunately our stop. I mean, our entry. I don't know. I liked it. I like that. I like that. I mean, it's a possibility. I want to find some reaction from these sellers. I don't want these, they just keep getting manipulated. Here we go. Give me some reaction from these sellers. I want to at least try this trend line on the other side again. We're starting to get the EMA to curl up through here. Want to see our reaction with that and this trend. Maybe switching over to the longs if we do get through here. Maybe switching over to the longs if we do try into these 50s again, this bottom. I don't mind this spot. Currently finding against us, so we'll see. We will see. What, Birdie? First time, bro? I played golf for the first time. I go hitting the ball hard. All you see the stick fly across the field. What? Nah, Birdie. Bro, it was honestly one of the coolest things I've ever. I felt so good. I took a nice little chip off of a. Oh, here we go. We're starting to get a pull now. Got to decide if I want to reverse this or take this to the downside here. I don't love our entry. I think the real test is going to be back through here. I don't love our entry. I like the reaction though so far. I think we might go see like a test of like these 37s, 40s. Got to see if we can get hold through these 50s again. Just trying to see. But yeah, no work. It was, I was very happy with it. And then a nice deep, like 15, 20 foot putt off to the left and had a curve. Oh, baby. Touching into the trend line again after getting through the other side. Trying to decide if I think this is the final push to maybe switch over to a reverse, reverse position on this bottom of the 15-minute range of the 50s into the VWAP. I just don't love it as much as I like the downside still. I haven't decided yet, you guys. I want to just keep watching this next candle. I really want to see a test down into the 38s before I make a decision. Put a break even on realistically at the 38s. It's kind of what I'm hoping to see. Want to keep seeing this selling, pulling through. Looks like they're trying, but still seeing some stubborn buying. Message retracted. I'm waiting to short around VWAP. Okay, a newbie. I like that, King. I like that. I'm hoping to get a little bit pulled deep. Nope, stay 100% going down it. Nope, stay 100% going down. IFVG on the min. I put buy stops on the 50 if price pushes back up. All right, Amy. So you just got entered now, King. I always had a nose ring. You always had a nose ring? Hell yeah, King. Me too. Me too, me too. Nah, you got that. I never got near the hole since I tapped in on golf. I was hoping to see a deeper pull, guys. It looks like we're holding the 15-minute range bottom. That makes me think we're going to find some continuation to the upside here. If we get a closure above these 52s, I'm going to realistically close this position. I'm in from the 934s. Hope we both get it. You're in from the 934s. Does that mean you're long or short, Jared? I hope you're long the way this is looking. I'm in longs. IRZRS flipped over. We're going to be a little bit patient. This last candle's my dictator. See if we can get a pull back through this EMA. Otherwise, we still held the 15-minute bottom. It's not my favorite thing to see. I think we're going to get some potential upside pushes here. Here we go. That was our chance to get out down there, you guys. Painful. Pushing back into this range. Not really seeing a reason that these 62 should be protected. Holding the EMA as well. Think we're going to get stopped out, you guys. Already 150 up. Let's go, IRZRS. Long, sir. Yes, sir, Jared. Good luck. Hope you guys make some money. Hope you guys make some money. It looks like I'm about to get stopped out of this. Finding the longs coming in. Extra volumes picking up. That makes me think we're going to go rip higher. There it is. Bummer. That's a bummer. You deserve way more subs. Very kind and respectful. Hey, I appreciate that a lot, Mohammed. Thank you, sir. Be now. Let it run. Break even now. Let it run. Come on, IRZRS. Let it run, King. Did I just get a little bit lucky, or is it just teasing me? I want to see a pull back into this EMA. I want to see some weight from these sellers possibly. They're still trying. Both sides are looking a little interesting here. Finally get a pull back in our direction. Is this enough for us to close, break even again? Do we finally get the weight? Do we close? Do we get... Got to see if we can get through this 15-minute bottom here at the 942s. Otherwise, if we just keep wicking, I'm just going to close on this candle. Oh, we touched it. I like the selling that came in there. Oh, gosh. Come on, NASDAQ. What a shitty price action there. Right back to the EMA. Did we find some more support? We're starting to go sideways here at this price. Not really sure, you guys. I'm going to be patient. Can't find a trade. It's okay, Morgan. Now you can see I'm struggling too. If we close above the 61, we go higher. I like that. IRZRS. Yeah, he does. Trump talking. Gold, what's up, King? Welcome in, brother. Bro had 400 and sold. Lost it all. Dude. Sorry, brother, man. Damn, that stop loss goes crazy. Yeah, we just got protected hard. Let's see if we can get a close black around here. I don't want to keep seeing this wick up. If we get a break through this range, we could see some heavy selling continue. Want to be patient here. This was the price I was expecting to maybe get a reaction from. So, yeah, just like that. That's a bummer. I think we got to reverse now. I think I was hoping to see this candle. Like I said, I wanted to see like the 33s, but we got to the 37s. That's enough for me. Damn it. I wanted to get out there, but I was too busy talking. Too busy reading chat. Trump's talking. If NQ leaves, wick below the 942s would close. I'm out. Not liking it. I'm not liking it either, Danny. I want to get out on this next candle. Or maybe... I'm not liking it either. I think the buys finally just found some support. Back inside the range as well. I might even get a reverse if we get back towards our price. I don't think we're going to, though. Holy shit. Damn it. Like I said, I was considering reversing down there. We got the pull. I think this is the only time that makes sense. I think we're going to go get stopped out now, you guys. It's the only time that makes sense. I think we go get stopped out now. Our entry is at a really tough spot. Maybe we get a pull into these 50s. I can take a reverse position, but our entry is at a really tough spot. We're holding these 953s. Not a lot's going on. Do we reverse right here? A little bit better of a pullback. A little bit more. Can we towards that EMA? No. She's not gonna. I was hoping to reverse at the EMA, and it touched it without even giving me a chance. And here it goes. Oh, what a day. One more EMA touch and I'll reverse. One more. Reverse, reverse. I like to decompress buying. Give me one more chance. One more chance. I reversed high. Looks like the 5 and 30 minute are turning bullish. I agree, Pat. I'm also trying to get into the long side. I just want to get a better fill. If 57 not break, we'll go down, but it seems to go to 75. Here's the EMA touch it one more time. Man, this has been some weird price action, you guys. This has been some weird price action. I'm just trying my best to read it. I might just have to close this weird-ass trade. Every single time we're getting down and around our price, this is the only chance. But the reaction up here is making me want to stay. And then it just does this. So I might just take the loss on this trade, you guys. Let it play out because it's not being clear to me. Get out of that trade. It's just like, what are we doing here? What is this barcoding? Like, honestly. Like, what the hell is this? It's barcoding. Get out of that trade. Nah, for real. The market plays with us and won't care if it hits your stop loss. Nah, it doesn't care at all. 57, do the magic. Come on. Find some more sells. You know what I like? I like that the VWAP is curling down to our side. I think we're going to get a pump to like the WAP maybe and then some more selling. I like the way that we reacted here though. This makes me... Now we're back to the EMA trying to hold that. I don't know, you guys. This is a weird trade. This is a very weird trade. It's just go down, up, down, up. Nothing is pulling through. Nothing, Danny. And we're trying our best, so we'll see. But you guys, there's 40 people watching. If you guys have not yet, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, you're really being weird for that. And then if you're not in this comment section, joining this community, this conversation, what are you doing? We're all growing and learning together. What the fuck is this price action? This, Muhammad, is what they call gross. Ew. Gross. It's giving me so many tries to get out for break even, and I just keep being stubborn. I think we're going to get like some big buying to go stop us out, and then we're going to get the correct move. Like, we're going to go get run through these stops. Here we go right now, probably. And then we're going to get the downside play. Oh, I'm going to be so annoyed. I'm going to get ticked out. I'm going to get top ticked again, guys. My frustration will build. But because we know what's going to happen, I'm just going to let it happen. I just subscribed because I don't want to be called weird. Let's go, Jaleesa. Join the family. Welcome in, Queen. It's still making lower highs. It's not a terrible spot. Entry could be a little better in my opinion. I agree, Jared. We're in a weak spot. Sorry I hadn't finished typing, but just subscribed. I love it. Let's go. I still believe it's bearish, but what the fuck is this? I agree. I agree. This is ugly, and this is tough price action, and this is just gross. Drop the likes. W, Pat. Let's go, King. Like I said, y'all, join this conversation. Join this community. If you're not, you're being weird. Look at the reversion, the barcode. Do I just finally get out at this bottom? I have to, right? Like, what the fuck is this? Oh, my God, and I don't. And look at it. The ugliest price action. I think we're, like I said, I think I'm going to go get stopped out, and then it's going to fucking deliver, just like it always does to Tyler. That was a first time decent candle. I almost want to move this because I shouldn't, because as soon as it does run them, it's going to run them. Oh, I'm so upset. This decompressed buying into the range, I have a bad feeling. I'm going to be top tick liquidity. I'm going to get ran through my stops, and then price is going to deliver to the downside. I hope I'm wrong, but this feels just like it normally does. Looks like bear flag on the 5-minute. Tyler got that switchy with the ski mask on. If you don't sub, yes, sir. If you don't sub, I'm coming. Look at, you know what? I'm not getting stopped out of this. I know for every reason I should, but I do not like the fact that I'm going to be top ticked on this. And then it's going to move. I can just see it. I can feel it. I've seen this before. I just need a 971, and then it can sell off. Okay. See, look, I would have just got ran through right there for my top tick. I would have just been touched. I think. Pretty confident that I would have just been manipulated right there. And that's the bullshit that I've been dealing with. And now we're finding the sells. I literally would have been top tick. Like I said, y'all. Make the call, bro. Don't hesitate. Can we get through here one time? One time for the kids. All the peeps short and deserve a little bit of love here. Honestly, guys, this is pretty gross. But what is the rule? When we consolidate and we're going sideways, what is the way that we exit? The way we came in, right? So I like our direction. I like everything. You guys are starting to say the 5 looks bearish. We just got to be patient, I think. I think this is like one of the teasiest trades ever that truly just required some patience. Get through here now with some weight, NASDAQ. Like, find these sellers. All these people that kept buying this. This is our liquidity right now. All these people that just kept buying this is the liquidity. But man, the bottom of this 15-minute range is acting very, very stubborn. Yeah, we're very stubborn here at the bottom of this range. Come on, sellers. Can you just get heavy? Like, wow. teasing the shit out of us. What's up? I just need 9071s. I hope you got there, King. Make the call, bro. Don't hesitate. Enter with the 3 micros on the short now from in a mini on the 970. Okay, Muhammad. Okay. Yep, the wick was exactly your stop loss. Isn't that crazy? It was coming for me, Muhammad. What a price action. I know. This shit is ugly. This is gross. Give us this drop. We're begging you. Through this 15 minutes, get strong here. Do not want to see a reaction at this previous wick spot. We have another wick here through the bottom of the 15-minute range. We're trying to wick it again. Absolutely not. We need to see a closure here, Nazi. We need to see some support, some real action. Do not want to see any wicks. You guys know the rules. Nas definitely going to drop. I love it. Let's see it, Keith. Yo, there's 53 beautiful souls. Make sure y'all hit that thumb if you haven't yet. Subscribe if you're not. Let's go, Keith. More importantly, join this conversation. Join this family in this comment section. We're learning. We're trying. I've been holding this trade for like 20 minutes, and I've been just teased the entire time. The entire time. We are finally starting to get a reaction, though. So maybe, just maybe. I don't like this fucking wick at this previous wick spot, and now we're back inside of the 15-minute range. This is not the price action you really want to see if we're going to get the continuation to the downside. I'm going to be honest. We're holding it pretty well. It's not what you really want to see. Like, there are a lot of buys being executed right here. I just need them to get ran through. So much liquidity that's being pumped into this, NASDAQ. Find themselves come in here. Oh, my word. This is one of the roughest trades we've had, y'all, in a while. Just nothing's happening. You know what I mean? Just nothing's going on. Garbage is the right word, Danny. Trying to focus on NQ during the day and gold during Asia. But gold might be the move fully. Honestly, Jaleesa, a lot of people find success in that. If you're one of those people that can read that straight price action, I think so. I've never dabbled with gold, but I think it has a lot of opportunity if you're good at it. Get through this wick, NASDAQ. I do not want to see any more wicks. Do you understand? Where's the weight? Show me some weight. Come on. Big weight now. Get through here. Boom. Some more. Carry some more. Closure like this, we're going to add a contract, you guys. Closure through these 38s. I'm adding a contract. It's risky, but there it is. We're short 2 now. Stop loss. We're going to be risking a little bit of money. I need to let this try to actually pull through for us once. If we can get through these 929s, we'll be looking decent into the 900s. If we can keep finding some sells. Don't want to see wicks at this spot. We do not want to have a double bottom potential here. Come on. Do not want to see a double bottom potential here. Come on, NASDAQ. Can I just get some pull through one time? Like one time, can we get some pull through? Do not want to see any double bottom attempt here. Already seeing the attempt. The buyers are trying. Yeah, that might be enough. We might be wrong. Holy shit on a stick. It's fake. This is fake. Oh my word, man. Yeah, I think we're just gonna... Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna rage today. What is this gross shit? Just to wick me out again. Just to wick me out again. Holy cow, NASDAQ. I can't catch it today, you guys. I'm in sells. Give us the bear flag. 150 from the last bullish push. Give it some more and you should see a squeeze down. Good luck. I appreciate it, Jared. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Every fucking thing we're getting into is just getting groped. It looks like it does want to hold this double bottom, and we're back inside the 15-minute range. Again, I literally just get wicked out. I don't even know. Here we go. Now it filled out. Now I feel a little bit better about it. Wasn't a wick. We actually would have been traded. I like that better now. All right, y'all. We're down 200 buckaroos. Let's see if we can get a little flip. If it doesn't break, I'm done for the day. 200 up, still a winning day for me. Great trading, IRZRS. Good discipline, man. You're an amazing trader, dude. Let it go, buddy. Yeah, I appreciate that, Jared. I let it go. It happened. It moved against us. We didn't get the break we were hoping to see, and now we're starting to find some longs, so I don't mind that. Matter of fact, I'm actually going to be buying a pullback if we do get one here. Limit buy. Give me a pullback now, NASDAQ. You're looking strong. Finding a double bottom at these 50s. Oh, my God. I will say, though, it's an interesting price that we are continuing to hold time and time again. A break and closure above this. I'm just going to add one contract for a snipe, a little scalp. If we get a break and a close above these 61s, I'm going to add a contract just for a little quick scalp. That's the real move. Let's go, Jared. Pull back for the 15-minute watching for this candle. Close to possibly push up to my entry. So you're trying to short? I think this, I don't think we can fade this strength right here. Fucking missed it. Ah, it's okay, kid. It is okay, king. Another one comes. The NASDAQ, she's weird like that. She'll give you more opportunities. Like, right now, I'm hoping for one more chance. I don't really want to see this break back below once we're trying to break through here, though. So, I might be shorting the VWAP. It might be my next trade, you guys. I might be trying to short this VWAP. Because now this double bottom is the liquidity that I want to target. Look at us still maintaining these 61s like it's a very strong line. Oh. 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 We almost just got an entry. Oh. I'm either shorting the VWAP, you guys, or trying to get a pullback into these 949s for the continuation of the upside. Yep, but after a run of the 15-minute VWAP. I like that. I like that a lot, newbie. 970 is a short, my brother. I think maybe. Previous range. I like that. I think that could work, Muhammad. Yo, we've been trying to hit 30 likes. Sauce, our moderator, gave us the goal of 30 likes each day this week. So if you guys have not yet, make sure we're getting to that goal. Someone let me know where we're at. Trying to do it for that Saucy. All right, we're getting tapped into this long now. Let's see if we can get some reaction. See if we can get a pullback in the right side. Because we're finally trying to buy this stubborn bottom. A closure above these 60s we can add. You guys know that they've been sticky though. So we'll see if we even get the chance. Closure through the 60s we can add, but they've been very stubborn, so we will find out. Target the 970 slash the VWAP. Yes, sir. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. If we get a breakthrough here, I'm going to add a second contract. It doesn't seem like it will because they've been incredibly stubborn, but closure above these 61s, I'm going to add. Let's see it. Give me a chance, Nazi. Close above those 61s. Straight up line in the sand right here at these 60s. We should be shorting this every touch we can. We make so much money just playing this range today. Just get me to the 971. Come on, Nazi. Come on, go get that man his money to that 971. I'm in with you. You got a better spot. Let's see, Jared. Let's see what happens. We got to get a break and close above these 61s. From there, we should look decent. I'm targeting the VWAP most likely. Nothing crazy. I still think this double bottom is the liquidity. Man, look at the stubbornness here at these 60s. Look at the stubbornness here at the 60s. Can we get through there, Nazi? Feels like you're stuck. Feels like the buying is just weak at that spot. Sells are loading in there. VWAP's curling down to the 974s now. Not looking as good for us. What the fuck is this weird range? It's tight. It's very strange, Muhammad. Which makes me want to be short more because we're consolidating at a range where we came into. Come on, NASDAQ. Do us something nice here. Show me something. Go get that easy liquidity. Go sweep this at least. Go sweep these 62s. I just need you to sweep it one time. Go grab that liquidity. So many stop losses are right here. Think about how many like retail traders are putting their stops above this line. Oh my word. This shit is getting old, NASDAQ. Can we get a break and a run? Please. This sideways shit is gross. And we got Powell speaking in an hour and some change. That might be why, you guys. What is this weird range? We have Powell speaking at 12. Trump speaking right now. The market might just be waiting, like trading a no news day. This is my last one. I like that, Jared. Discipline. This is probably my last one as well. See if we can get a break and a hold. I kind of wanted to short the VWAP for real, but we're not getting moves, so. This is one of the ugliest days. Very slow, very boring price action. But we're doing our best, you guys. That's all we can do. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Hold that EMA. Go push that easy liquidity. There's so many stop losses just resting here. So much liquidity, these 62s. I just want to see it run it. Run it. You can wick back down after, but just go take that out. Shorten the VWAP too if it's before the speech. I like that. I think it's a good trade, Muhammad. If we can even get up there, my word. We got to get up there, NASDAQ. Come on. Reach for us, girl. Get up through these 60s. You look way better at 70. You know what I mean? Bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. NASDAQ. How long you been trading, my bro? Really consistently every single day for a little over a year now. And then I've had like a couple years of just on and off experience prior to that. Oh, we're getting the fuck up there. Oh, we're getting up there. I like that, Saab. Come on, King. Show me. Get up there. Now's the time we're finally going to find the sells. The one time. Right? Is that what's going to happen right now, NASDAQ? You have your messed up little games you like to play? Your messed up little games you like to play with people? Come on. Find some buying here. Get through there. Please. Come on. Just like that. Keep going. Get through these fucking 60s. Wow. Unfucking real. Will you go through that 60 price? This is the most choppy shit ever. Like ever. Bum, 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 bum. Gross, NASDAQ. Just gross. Nothing about this is pretty. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. I'm losing brain cells watching this. We're getting up there. I like it. I just need to see it. I need to see these 60s. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different candles have touched this 59 price without a close above it. We've had one close above it. Out of these 16 candles to touch this price in the last 30 minutes, one candle closed above it. Like, oh my word. What a stress from this price action. I agree, Amy. Like, we're just trying to have a good time, and this NASDAQ's raising our blood pressure. I'm definitely over trading in this range. $300 TP. Yeah, dude. That's hilarious. That's actually hilarious, Eli. I might just be setting my TP. I might just keep scalping this range. Short these 60 price. If you short the 60s over and over, you should make money. Buy the bottom, short the top, over and over. This is horrible. I agree, Pat. This is legit horrible. You know what? I want to do it just because, you guys. I want to put a sell order at the 59s just because. No stress, just pop us in and open a C4, watch this thing fly. I like that. No, I like that, Sob. You know what I mean? He already said we relax, so we relax. This is the one right here. Come on, get through that 61. As soon as we do, we're adding a contract, y'all. If it ever happens. Yeah, the league key level on the 57. Key level, but holy shit. There's 7, 8, 12, 15 tries. Yeah, I'd be short. If you want to be short, you have a high probability. Be short this candle right here. And we'll go push back into the bottom of the range. If we actually get a break and a close above these 62s, I will add a contract, you guys. I don't see it. I don't think we get it. Just like that, the 60s, like I said, just short the 60s and you make fucking mad money today. The time you want short NASDAQ break, haha. Yeah. Now you're seeing it, Amy. Now you get it. The price action is more indecisive than your high school sweetheart. She doesn't know what she wants, and either do I. And that's okay. We're young. We're just trying to figure it out. Just giving my love over to somebody. Come on. I said it. Short the 60s and you're going to be rich. Gross fucking price action. Oh my God. I'm having a conniption. What is this? Look at the flatness, you guys. 2K off shorts at the top. Hey, Eli, keep doing that, King. Keep shorting this fucking top. Like, literally, it's like 100% right now. I shorted the 60 and TP'd your entry. That's what you got to do. That's the type of shit you got to do, Muhammad. I like that. We're almost down there. It's literally rinse and repeat over and over. Nah, stop. Have faith. All right, I'll keep faith. I'll keep faith, Sub. But you see this. This is not looking to break to the upside. This is not looking to break to the upside. And the one time I'm looking for it is when we're going to get the inversion to the downside. And this is a pretty clear and ugly bear flag in my opinion. You know what? I might get out of this trade and short at the top. Oh, but now I'm not going to get the chance. Now is when it's really going to roll over. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is not something we should be really involved with. This is incredibly ugly price action. It's part of your strategy. I just said a prayer. It's part of my strategy. Hey, Sab, I like that, King. Whatever works, brother. Laugh my ass off. Thanks, Pats. 220. Thanks, King. Hey, good trading, Mo. Good trading, Mo. Short the 60s. Buy the bottom. That's it. Looking like a Darvis box to the downside. Heading to the gym soon. Hey, Jared. Get that health, King. Healthy traders is a profitable trader. Healthy traders are profitable traders. Are we finally going to get some fucking momentum? Oh, my God. Maybe. Or just is this another entry to short the 60s? Short the 60s. Short the 60 all over again. You know what? Holy fuck. A actual break above the 60. That might be enough for me to close this trade now. Like, we've seen it. We just saw God on the chart actually have the power to break through this range. Yo, Saab, your prayer, King. I see you. I see you, King. I'm adding with a break above this fucking, with a close. I'm adding on a close. Oh my God, I don't know. Didn't want to add it to VWAP. Maybe I'll just get out with the VWAP. Oh my God, I don't know. Holy shit. Maybe we just get out with that energy there. There's a lot of buying. You know what? Kind of wanted to short that VWAP pull. I forgot I wanted to short the VWAP. Why did we just rip up there so fast? I wanted to bury my other position. Holy shite. That's a lot of momentum, dude. Let's go now, man. Told you that 1 minute time frame can fuck with you. Yes, sir. I closed right before the pump. Terrible timing. That's tough, Dave. I wanted to add a second contract back here, but I don't think I can because I actually wanted to short the VWAP, and now I think that was the play. I think I got to get out of this and then short the fucking... My God. What a annoying pullback. Testing the top of this range that we struggled years to break out of. Let's see the reaction here. We struggled a year and a half to break out of this price. So testing a top of it should find some buys, but we'll see. Don't really want to see the VWAP react as strong as it did to the downside there. My new TP is going to be like this. If we can maybe get that. Give me that $400. Give me that exit. No, it's going to come all the way back down now. That price that we struggled to get through, yeah, we just got back in there instantaneously, dude. Oh, my fucking word. This chart today, guys. Yeah, we're... This is hideous. Actually hideous. Oh, my God. I'm going to... Fuck it, close the day with a 1400 on my Express. Sheesh, thanks, King. Hey, good trading, brother. Yeah, I'm out of this. Unbelievable fucking trade, man. Oh, I'm so triggered after that one, guys, honestly. I am so upset right now. One fucking candle pump. I didn't get out because... Oh, and then I wanted to short the VWAP. That was the original trade. Hey, Danny made the short the VWAP. That's all I care about then. Let's fucking go, Danny. Good job. Now lock yourself out, Muhammad, for sure. We legit called the VWAP, bro, my man. Yeah, we did, and that's why I'm upset right now. That's why I feel upset in my chest, because I wanted that short, but I anticipated a little bit better of a reaction, not just a complete death off of it. Like, holy fuck. That green candle blew my account. I'm going to go take a dump. Hey, Diego. Sorry, King. Good trading, though, brother. That pump is what I was hoping to make money on, and then I wanted to short the VWAP, and instead we didn't, and now we're just here. We're bottom liquidity. I'm selling two. I'm doing two this time, guys, if we got to pull back into this range that we've sold every single time. I don't even know if we're going to get a chance, but I'm trying to find some sells, and I want to sell these 60s, 58s preferably. Give me a sell. I'm short two contracts at the 57s. The reason I'm doing two is because of the reaction and because we're at this spot that I do not expect price to get above again, but we'll see here. This low is what we're targeting, the 930s. Every other time we just had straight buying, but now we just find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sell candles in a row. It's fucking unreal. Man, it makes me tickle. You know, it's ticking me. I shorted for 2,000. Let's go, Eli. Let's go. How many contracts you went in on? The plan was to short the VWAP too. Liquid the top. Oh, that's juicy. I wanted to liquidate at the top and then enter at the VWAP, and that was what I wanted. And I didn't execute. Having a goal is only half of it. You still got to execute. Follow them rules, buddy. Nah, you're right, Jared. It's still $300 short or stop. I'm not risking more. It's just I don't usually enter with two contracts, and it doesn't even matter because this fucking thing is gonna move now. The amount of frustration in my chest, is what it is, King. Let's think about it this way, guys. This drop at the 974s, this is a 30-point move. Best case scenario, we just made 30 points on what was the cleanest move of the day. Was only 30 points offering. Like, yeah, I'm all set. I'm going to try to get one here at the EMA. And nope, it's just going to die. You're still a GOAT and profitable. You have all the tools. Just remember, even Buffett takes an L. Even Buffett takes L's. I like that, Sob. 10 contracts is wild. You're a madman, Eli. Oh my God, this is just the fucking move that we wanted. That's why I'm upset. This is a cleanest 60. This is the cleanest move we've seen all day, and we wanted it. We just we didn't think enough because we were in our trade and we got the pump, and oh my fucking God. I changed my P&L so when I'm done it's not red but blue. LOL. Hey Lenny, I like that. Whatever works for you. Just curious, Ty, what was it about the VWAP? Did you see liquidity or just the VWAP respect your OP? I liked VWAP because of the fact that it was reaching down all day for us. We had all selling, so we were pushing lower prices. We found VWAP to find it. It was like dropping in at the same time. This entry was back at the 50% of the range. Also testing the bottom of this support. So like overnight support, we held this range. This bottom is exactly VWAP, right? So a lot of confluence is coming in to tell us to get that short. I tried my goddamn goodest, but I was already in the long, and I was trying to and then I just, 50 viewers, y'all drop a like and a sub for the Thai guy. Caesar, let's go, bro. You're the man, Caesar. 50 beautiful souls still watching. If you guys are not yet, make sure you put the little thumb up. Join the conversation in this community. Join the fam. If you're not in this comment section learning, you guys are really doing yourself a disservice. We're all in here sharing vibes, sharing knowledge. Let's go. Still looking for a short. Still looking for a short. I think my entry's a little high, though. I'm going to short this EMA. Shorting this 49 EMA. May we get a fill? May I get a fill, Nazi? Oh, my word. I beggeth of you, ma'am. Just tap me in. A little tap, tap, taparoo.
Order filled.
Thank you. Just like that. That's actually all I needed out of you, girl. Appreciate you so much. Ah, very nice. W's. Respect. Best community. No doubt, Danny. The best community. It's because of y'all. I love you guys. 76.50 is sensible stop. I agree. Above this range, we shouldn't go back up there before we see some downside. I like that, Dave. Depends on where your entry is. That's still... Ty's a good dude, man. Hey, Jared, appreciate you, brother. I'm going 5 contracts short if it gets back to the 57s. F it. I think that's a great idea, TLR. I would also be willing to short the set 57 with some weight if we get back up there. Right now, I want to see some suppression at the CMA, though. After those sells came in, I want to see this continue to the downside here. Not a lot of reasons to find some buying. Once we broke through these 57s and couldn't carry through, there's not a lot of reasons to find extra buying. I'm going to add a second contract short if we break through these 39s to the downside. If we start breaking through these 39s to the downside, I'm going to add a second contract. Ideally, it gets heavy through here. Ideally, we get a little bit of weight through here. This is like one of the most insanely slow days, though. Like, can we just state that? I mean, we've been trading. I think I've been in trades. Like I've been in a trade for like a lot of minutes this morning. How about that? I don't know how many, but a lot of minutes. And yet we're only down. Not even one of our full positions. 300 is our full stop. We haven't even hit a full stop yet. Excuse me. Short the 60s. Honestly, Eli, I will again if it gets up there. Excuse me. I got the hiccups. If it gets back up there, I will be shorting the 60s. Failure to have a close above the CMA is pretty bullish, though. If it closes that weak, that is pretty bullish. I guess bearish. Bullish in our direction. Positive for our trade. I'm going to take our profit. I don't really know what to target, but right now I just want to see a new low a day break. I think I'll actually target the 900 whole number if we do start getting that to break. So it'll be something like this. But I don't know. We just keep holding. Back inside of the 15-minute range. We got outside of it for a minute, but the buyers bought it right back up. I want to see some weight. Like, I just want to see some weight. Get through these 39s. I'm going to add a contract. But instead, we're going to wick and be bully. Just definitely break into the downside. We just got to be patient, you guys. If we get a move away from our entry on this, this is safe. Got to see a break below these 39s, and we can consider adding a second contract. Closure below the 39 I'm into. Probably range bound till then. Powell soon, eh? Yeah, Powell is soon, and you're not wrong. I do think we just kind of bounce back and forth until that happens. Will this be the double dump, the dumpy dump? I like it, Danny. I hope so. I literally am hoping so. Except look at the wick. Every fucking time we're finding reactions. Look at this overall bear flag as well here. We're holding. Price wants to hold. I mean, that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at here. I just can't with this chop today. Back and forth all day long feels like, I don't even know, pain. Feels painful. My 30-minute EMA is holding, so buyers rent done could be spiked to the upside if it keeps holding. 30-minute EMA is holding, so buyers could find some upside if it keeps. I hope not, Eli. Hold, don't fold, LOL. You gotta know when to hold them. It's dropping quicker than it pumps. Yeah, it is. This price action makes me overtrade. I'm just going to close with small profit. Hey, Matrix. That right there is how you fucking... You know yourself? You do what you got to do, and you're winning mentally. I love that shit, bro. No reason to be involved with this. This is literally gross. The only reason I'm still messing with this is because I can maybe grab a winning day out of it. We're going to try. But this is not pretty. 56 viewers. Can we hit 60? Saucy. Letting them know. If you guys have not yet, make sure you're joining this community. Subscribe. Hit the like button. We've been having a goal of hitting 30 each episode. If you guys have not hit that yet, it means a lot. And now look at it. Finding a reaction. Eli, you were right, King. We found it to the upside there. I am going to be short one of these 57s. Did we just get there? No, I'm shorting one here. I'm shorting this 57 again. I don't even care. This is against my rules to short when I'm red, but I'm just going to do it because I want this hold. Give me that 57 tap. Get back up there. We have a fill at the 58s. Touch me in there. It really should be like the 60s. Really, it should be like this. Should be short in the 60s. 59.75. In at 56.25. Stop at relative high. I like that a lot, Dave. I think it's a really good trade. I was trying to get in a little higher at the 58s, but I like your stop. Yo, Tyler, what made you want to stream your trading? Just curious. I really enjoy helping teach. I think it also makes me a better trader by trying to help people see and learn. We're leaving this stop loss on for 400. If it gets hit, I'm done for the day, you guys. Oh, and now we're finding the biggest buys of the day to get through a range that we could never get through but prior. Ridiculous. So, yeah, I feel like it was I love the idea of being able to help other people. I think growing a community is the way that we're only going to get better. So I just noticed kind of like when I'm not, so now I've noticed as well, when I'm not trading on stream, the difference in the way that I'm like, my mindset, basically, I'm far better on stream because I'm like trying to explain my thought process. So I'm speaking out loud. I'm trying to make it clear for you guys. And that makes it like a little bit clearer for me rather than I'd be quiet. I'd be talking to myself in my head. Like I'd be quietly watching this chart, and the amount of emotions that come out are a little bit different. So I don't know. I just did it to want to like, you know, grow with some people, build a community. And then I found that it's just been one of my favorite things to do ever. So yo, Tyler, let's get Tyler to 800 subs if you love BBC candles. We love BBC candles. I need these BBC. Give me that big black coming in here. Me and Dave are defending the 60 range. Come on. BBC all day. I need those big blacks. And I don't need $2,000 anymore. I'm just going to take our winning day at this point, you guys. I'm legit just going to take a winning day at this point and wrap up this ugly price action if we can get in a fill. Sadly, we got to see some pull to the downside here. Show me something, NASDAQ. You respected this range all day. Looking to see a pull back in towards this range at the 945s, and we can just lock in a winning day. I like it, man. Much respect. Keeps you accountable, too. It keeps me very accountable. It really does. If we go back through the VWAP, I'm cutting this for break even and taking a horse ride. Too choppy for me. Hey, get on that horse. Less choppy than this. Holy shit. We just got flash wick to our take profit there, y'all. Might just lock it in. Give me that, Nazi. You're not going to do me that dirty, are you? I mean, it's been a day of doing me dirty, but you're not going to do me that dirty, are you? All right, y'all. I got out. I don't know. I had to get out of that. Newbie, enjoy that horseback ride. Well, if we go back up through the view up, yeah, I would have been at it too. LOL, big beautiful blacks. Let's go. Yes, sir, gamer. Come on, GPT. Lower your TP at least 30. Oh, sorry, Dave. I had to get out, King. I don't think, I mean, I see why 30. We should go see low a day here. We should too. Go see low a day here. But for me personally, I had to lock it in. I had to also get out of here. And I don't like this price action. The way that we're acting is just lame AF, dude. Caesar, his name is the best. And never, it's just such a straight chuckle. There it is. Nice bounce back. It was. We did what we had to do. Wasn't pretty. Wasn't gorgeous, but we got it done. I don't even know. It was a really weird day today, y'all. I laughed my ass off. Still in for now. I hope it holds, King. Horrible trading day. Finish it green, brother. Market will always be here. There's really nothing attractive about this chart at all. I agree. This is just choppy, indecisive. The pump. Look at this, guys. I'm still really upset about this. Look how flat of a price this is. Gross. So held. And then we finally get to pump once. Bink. Decent volume. And then just right back. Like, gross. Really, 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 really gross. Do you ever trade FEG or just the 15-minute range? It takes two. I don't really trade FEG too much. I think it's just kind of like, I don't know. I mostly just use the 15-minute range and then support and resistance. Ty's been manipulating the market the last few days with these trades. They watch your stream, LOL. They watch bad. TLR, they're always no. We shouldn't have even got stopped out on one of our moves before we got wicked and then the move. Like, we are always the hunted liquidity. So if you guys want to be a successful trader, target away from my try to enter at my stop losses if you guys want to be successful. I'll get wicked out and then it moves. Nasty stuff. Yeah, Danny, it was gross. Hey, we hit the 30 likes. We hit the 30 likes. Let's go, y'all. W you guys. I appreciate it so fucking much. Thank you for even offering it, Saucy. Keeping us informed. You told us we have a goal of 30 each day today. We're going to do that for you, or each day this week. Let's go. Here we go. Still in full. Come on, Dave. I hope you hit mad TP to the 30s, King. You deserve it. We deserve to break through this range. But I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for spending your morning here. Thanks for trying to make some money together. We got a little bit unlucky today just because the NASDAQ wasn't seeming like she wanted to participate. Our boy Dave is still in a nice trade right now. Hopefully go take low a day here. I think we should. There's no reason to not go take lower prices, Dave. So I like your spot, but I'm going to wrap it up. I love you guys. I appreciate you for being here. If you're not subscribed, you're being weird. If you're not joining this community in this comment section, you're not doing yourself any help. We're all learning. We're all good traders here, getting better. And yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and we do it all over again tomorrow. All right? Woo! Good stream, y'all. I appreciate you guys. Peace.